What's up, gang? So we're back. So now we're gonna add our wedges to the pot. I know it's the most favorite part that y'all been waiting for. I know. So let's go. Alright. So just wanna place them like that inside the oil. You want to be careful, guys. Can't just drop them in. You have to place them, gently place them inside the oil. Okay, so you want to roughly give it. Yes, you want to roughly give this about 4 minutes on one side and then you flip. Okay? So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Appears a little nicer.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it's Chef Nick. If it's your first time, don't forget to hit that subscription button. So come on in, let me show you what I'm going. Alright, so today guys, we're going to do some wedges. Seasoned wedges of your type. You don't have to do it this way. You could just cut it and fry it as you like without seasoning. But this is my way, okay? So come on in. So now, before you use a cutting board, you want to ensure that you get a dish towel or tablecloth, whatever you call it, right? Place it right below under the cutting board. So this prevent from moving, realize? Stabilize it. Prevent from end up getting cut or spoiling the cut of your vegetable. So without no further ado, let's get chopping. Okay, so I want to show you guys a little knife skill. Alright, here we have our chef knife. So this is how you hold chef knife, right? Hands like this. 1, 2, 3. These fingers right at the back. See, right? I got a good grip of the knife. Hope it's clear. Alright, good. So first, you want to go in like this. Put it in two, place it in 2 pieces, right? Then once again, you hold it firm and then you go in like this. Very even, right? And you want to continue for all the sections. Very good. So guys, welcome back. So here I have my lovely potato wedges. So guess what I want now? Get my little saucer, little flat plate as you call it, right? Right, this so. So going in to season my wedges, guys. Maggi all-purpose, a little black pepper, and my oil that should go in the pot. So now I will be removing, I will be combining all my seasoning together. So I have here the Maggi, adding some black pepper, not too much. You guys may be wondering why I'm not adding any salt. The Maggi is high in salt content, so you don't want to touch any salt for that, right? So come on in with me. Alright guys, alright, ready? Okay, so I grab a bowl here. So now I'm just placing all my potato wedges inside while I combine all my seasoning together, guys. So I do a little sprinkle, just like that. Very easy lunch idea, even breakfast, dinner's ideas. Something quick and easy, right guys? So you just want to go ahead and season like this, right? Yes guys, you just want to go ahead and just some season them like that. Look at it. Ooh, looking good already, right? I bet y'all want to dive in. I know you guys want to dive in. So I have some more wedges here, can't hold in this bowl, so I grab another bowl, and now I'm just going in and start seasoning. Yes, all that in. Y'all smell my kitchen? Tell me. Yes, so oops, sorry. So you just want to combine them, combine everything, rub that seasoning. Yes, look at it. Yeah, yes guys. So we just leave this here for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we come back and we get ready to fry. See you. Welcome back guys. So now here we have our pot on the stove, eating our pot. So now we're going to go in with some oil. Guys, you may want to use your judgment on this one. Not too much, but you know, fair amount of oil to the pot. Yeah, so you want to let your oil heat at a good temperature, guys. Okay guys, so now we're gonna flip. We're gonna make a flip. Alright. So you might want to show them in the pot, Katie. My camera lady is here, guys. So yes, I want to show you how they're looking. Woo! Oh my god, y'all want to smell my kitchen. Katie, where's the one? Talk to people them. Big up, big up. Alright guys, look here. Ooh. Alright, I'm giving you guys one. Hope you like it. Alright, so give them another 4 minutes on that side. And then we remove, okay? So guys, welcome back. So now we'll be removing our wedges from the pot. But first, we'll grab some napkin and place it on the plate. So reason for doing that, to eliminate the oil. So now we'll be removing our wedges from the pot, just like that. Ooh. Guys, you want to taste these. Oh my god. So here we have it. Homemade wedges. Okay guys, so here's the finished product of my homemade wedges. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.